Praying together. Will we forever be in turmoil of religious conflict? And will all religious adherents keep fighting to defend their own religion, while the others are always on the side of blaming other religions? Whereas all of us wish for serenity and peacefulness. From the beginning, the Holy Spirit has already instilled a sense of togetherness to us all. Singing and praying in the church, and praying in the temple and vihara. Since 1999, Eden Community presents the song Doa Bersama or Praying Together, as well as God's teaching through the Archangel Gabriel, who obliges us to make peace with all religious adherents. And we are happy to enjoy the wisdom and the righteousness of all religious teachings. From an honest truth up to the real truth, intensely fill all the holy books, for all of them are created from God's revelations towards all of His messengers in different eras, and unto His messenger that He chooses from different nations and cultures. Thus the holy books are written in different languages, and it is adjusted into the culture of God's messenger and His nation. However, for the sake of local spiritual teaching, God could insert His revelations to be a local wisdom, which is limited, but He has guided the real truth unto a very limited adherence. Truly, God is the most wise, who grants the prayers of all human beings who pray unto Him, although they know not Him well, as long as human gazes up His face to heavens and weeps, pleading for help and blessing unto the heavens. And when the prayer wants to be blessed by God, then certainly God shall grant that prayer. And if God sees that there are some people who need God, then He will send His messenger to those people, and be a religion is descended down amidst those people. And during the descending down of that religion, God certainly creates an understanding that He exists, and He is the most powerful, and the most helpful, and the most compassionate. And His messenger always delivers good tidings and warnings upon humans' deeds on each era. When God descends down His messengers, for God constantly descends down His messenger when the world is in turmoil. In pouring out His revelations, God favors not one over the others. The philosophy of the true righteousness and divinity is the ultimate essence of His revelations for all religious adherents. And the essence of revelation is given unto all groups of believers, even toward a remote community, and who isolate themselves. For God is the most compassionate and the most bestower of blessing, who is the most just upon all human beings who want to believe and commit to be spiritual. As for the odd ritual conducted by some people, stated as perverted by God, it is only if that community mentions not God as their God, Nowadays, religious conflict has become more tedious and has very much disturbed the convenience of worshiping God. And as all people have been weary and very much wishing to worship God peacefully and piously, without any disturbance or fear of being disturbed, or their life are being threatened. Thus we are brought by the Holy Spirit to dive the beauty and happiness of the harmony amongst religious adherents. We come from Muslim background, who are commanded by God to neutralize our religious belief. And before that, the Holy Spirit brought us to get familiar with other religious adherents, namely Christians, Hindus, and Buddhists. From that experience emerges passion to live in harmony among all religious adherents and share the love sincerely. And this is the recording of the track of God's teaching unto us that has made us attain the true sincerity toward all adherents, and we are able to love our fellows sincerely.
Misa di gereja dan di dalam kebaktian kami berdoa. Misa yang kudus menyertakan kami. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Puji Tuhan, kerajaan langit telah tiba. Di dalam kerajaanmu kami berdoa. Umat Allah ingin bersatu, menjauhi neraka permusuhan. Di misa yang kudus bersatu doa kami. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Sucilah Bunda Maria, sucilah Yesus Isa Al-Masih, sucilah Muhammad, sucilah Ruhul Kudus. Islam dan Kristen berdamailah. Kita sesama umat Allah. Islam dan Kristen bersatu bersatulah menyembah Allah yang Esa, menyembah Allah yang Maha Kudus. Oh suci dan kudus Tuhan Allah, Ruhul Kudus menerangi jalan kita menuju Allah yang Esa. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Puji Tuhan. Malaikat kudus itu telah datang. Kau dinanti di sini. Umat Islam dan umat Kristen menantimu, membawakan sinar terang dari Tuhan Allah, Tuhan kita, Tuhan Allah, Tuhan kita yang Esa dan Maha Kudus. Sucikan kami ya Ruhul Kudus, sucikan kami menuju Tuhan Allah, Tuhan kita. Esa Tuhan kita, Esa Allah, Esa Allah kita. La ilaha illallah, Tuhan yang Maha Esa. La ilaha illallah.
Sucilah Ibrahim, sucilah semua utusan Tuhan. angel of peace. Sucilah Buddha Gautama, Namo Buddhaya, Namaste, salam sejahtera.
Dari kitab suci Dhammapada, tidaklah seberapa harumnya bunga tagara dan kayu cendana, tetapi harumnya mereka yang memiliki sila kebajikan, menyebar sampai ke surga. Bab 4 Pupavaga ayat 13.
Sucilah Krishna, Om Santi 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 Om. Semoga dalam damai, Om Swastiastu.
Dari kitab suci Weda, kahyangan atau surga dan bumi menjalankan hukum-hukum yang abadi. Oleh karenanya, hal itu mulia. Artava Veda, Mandala 18, Himne 1, Sloka 29.
Sucilah Ruhul Kudus, sucilah utusan Tuhan, sucilah semua kitab-kitab suci, sucilah semua agama. Semua agama bersatulah, kita sesama umat Tuhan. Semua agama bersatulah, menyembah Tuhan yang Esa, menyembah Tuhan yang Maha Kudus. Oh suci dan kudus Tuhan kita, Ruhul Kudus menerangi jalan kita menuju Tuhan yang Maha Esa. Allahu Akbar, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Shalom Aleichem, Haleluya. Puji Tuhan yang